Good morning, my dear students. How are you? All of you fine? Okay. Did you understand our previous class? What we studied about? Okay, in our solar system. Okay. Now we can study the moon, the natural satellite of the earth. Okay. What is that? The moon is our satellite, natural satellite of the earth. Moon is our natural satellite, not artificial. Our natural satellite. Okay. The moon is also a celestial body and a part of our solar system. Moon is a part of our solar system. It is only natural satellite of the earth. Moon is only the natural satellite of the earth. It is smaller size in earth. It is smaller than in our earth. Moon is a smaller in our earth. Moon is smaller than in our earth. Okay, and it completes one revolution of the earth is 27.5 days. The moon is complete one revolution of the earth in 27 days. How many days? It complete one revolution. How many days? 27.5 days. Okay, the moon takes the same time. The moon takes same time to rotate its own axis. The moon takes same time to rotate once about every 27.5 days. Okay. Then the moon completes one revolution of the earth is how many days? 27.5 days. And the moon take its own axis, rotates its own axis how many days? 27.5 days. Okay, so we can say that the rotation and the revolution period of the moon. So now we can say the revolution and the rotation period of the moon are the same. So we can see only one side of the moon from the earth. So we can see only one side of the moon from the earth. Okay. Then the moon does not have its own light and heat. The moon does not have its own light and heat. It shines as reflects the light of the sun. How it shines? The reflects of the sun. Okay. Then the moon appears to change its shape. The moon appears to change its shape. These changes are known as what? The phases of the moon. The moon appears. We can see the moon. It appears only one side. Only one side. The moon appears. It changes in its shape. So these changes are known as what? Phases of the moons. Okay. Then the next one we studied about the difference between artificial satellite and the natural satellite. Okay. We study about the artificial satellite and natural satellite. Okay. First one is it is an object. It is an object. Artificial satellite, it is an object sent into space by man. Who sent the artificial satellite? The man. The man sent to space. Okay. Then second one, it is used to study the earth and other planets. What is the uses of artificial satellite? It is used to study the earth and other planets. Then it may have people in them. In artificial satellite, it have people in them. Field of study. Artificial satellite is used to field of study. In what study? Science, weather, military support and communication, etc. Okay. Then next one, natural satellite. First one is, it is a celestial body existing in space and not by man. It is a celestial body existing in space. It is existing where? In space, not made by man. Not made by man. Then its orbit a body larger than itself. Its orbits a body larger than itself. Okay, body is larger than itself. Then third one, it is not inhabited. There is no people there. It is not inhabited. Okay, man is trying to study about them. Man is trying to study about natural satellite. Okay, man is trying to study about natural satellite. Okay, okay, all of you understand artificial satellite and natural satellite. Okay, you can see here our first artificial satellite. Our first artificial satellite, you can see here what? It is Aryabhatta. Our first artificial satellite is Aryabhatta. You can see here. Okay, you can see. Then next one, artificial satellites are objects made by man and orbit the earth and other planets in our solar system. Okay, many artificial satellites have been sent into the space by our scientists. Okay, these are very helpful to us in many ways. These are the natural, the artificial satellite is very important to our study and science, weather, military support, communication, etc. Okay, then you heard about eclipse. It is a blocking of light, one heavenly body by another heavenly object in space. So, for example, the solar eclipse, the sun is blocked by the moon. The sun is blocked by the moon is called what? Eclipse. Okay, the sun, sometimes the sun is blocked by moon. So at that time we cannot see light. It's a dark time. Okay, then all of you understood the artificial satellite and the natural satellite? All of you understand? Okay, so our lesson is finished. Very important lesson. So all of you read our lesson. Okay, thank you.